everybody, welcome to my channel Roop's Makeover and Styler. I am Pinky and today I am doing this Indian festive look which is coming next month, that is Raksha Bandhan. I have very simple products that I have used and I have given all the name of the products in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before heading towards makeup, I am using this MAC Prep and Prime Fixing Spray to keep my makeup last longer. Now I'm using this beautiful gel moisturizer which is from Neutrogena Gel Hydra Boost, and I find that moisturizing your face before applying any makeup or any chemical products, it's very important. Now it's time to use a primer, and I am using this Honeydew makeup primer. This primer is really very good. I just love the smell of this primer, and primer is very important for your skin when you're applying any foundation because it acts like a layer on your face before applying anything. Now it's time for me to use a strobe cream, and I really love these type of strobe cream. I'm using this strobe cream from Nykaa. There are different types of brands which has created strobe cream, and you should always use a strobe cream before foundation. And I'll be using a kabuki brush and I'm going to blend the whole strobe cream on my face. Now coming to the usage advantage of strobe cream is that it creates that highlighting, that glowy thing comes out from your skin even after applying makeup. So if you want that a glamorous look, then strobe cream is a must. Now moving on to my foundation, I'm using this MAC foundation. I really love MAC foundations. All the foundations are really nice. The brand and the quality, it's awesome. And I'm using a flat brush and this applicator. With the help of this applicator, I'll be blending it on my face, and then I'm going to tab it on my skin with the help of a beauty blender. Now coming to the concealer part, I'm using this concealer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'll be using that on under my eyes and some of the areas where I have some patches and dark spots, and then I'm going to blend the whole thing with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to start by filling my eyebrows, and I'm using this eyebrow pencil from NYX, and this has pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other, and I'm using a dark brown color, and this works perfectly on my brow hair. Now I have taken this pink color from the Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm going to blend the whole thing from the crease to my all over eyelid, and I'm going to blend it with my blending brush. And after that I'll be using a shimmery color from a highlighter from Flower palette, and I'll be using that in the middle and then blend the whole thing out. Now it's time to use eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner from K Cosmetics, and I'm applying that on my eyes. Now I'll be using this mascara from Colossal before applying any falsies, and my falsies are from PAC. Now after doing my eyeliner, I am going to use this smudge brush. I'm using the smudge brush, and I have taken some dark color, black color from the same palette, and applying on my eyelash line, the lower lash line. And then again I will take a pink color, and I'm going to create that pinkish on the lower lash line area. Now coming to the contour, I'm using this contour powder from the Mion palette, and I'm applying on the cheekbones, forehead, the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to blend the whole thing with a beauty blender. After blending the whole thing, I'm taking this Maybelline Duo stick and I'm using the highlighter part, and I'm using these highlighter on some of the areas like my nose, cupid bow, and under my eyes, on my forehead, and all those areas for highlighting. Now I'm going to use this blusher from the LA Colors, and I'm going to use it in the uplifted areas on my cheeks, and I guess I have used a little more on the left side, so I'm going to buff that out with a little bit powder, and I'm going to adjust it nicely. Now coming to the highlighter, this is one of the best part that I love the most, because I love to put a lot of highlighter because I love that shimmery, glowy, glamorous effect. And I have taken this highlighter from the Flower palette, and I have taken the pinkish shade, and as you can see that I am using more and more of these highlighter. Next, I'm using this pink color lipstick. I will just give the name of the product in the description box, and I'm using this from Maybelline. And since my eyes are not so deep and dark, so I can always go with a bright lips, so I have used this a bright pinkish shade. And then I'm going to use a little bit of liquid eyeshadow. This is a little to highlight on my lips. This is from Swiss Beauty. Now lastly, coming to set and steal my entire makeup, I've used this MAC. So this is the last look of my makeup. This is very light makeup. You can use it. It's not very dark or vibrant. So you can create this look in any festive season. I have created for Raksha Bandhan. So if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you all.